Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Sani from BSc Nursing second year, College of Nursing, and I am here to re-demonstrate the procedure that is suture removal or removal of sutures. So in this procedure, I will explain what are sutures, type of sutures, articles used in this procedure, and steps involved in this procedure. So before I will start the procedure, I would like to explain the what are sutures. Sutures or stitches are used to close the wound or any incision in any surgical procedure. Now come to the types of sutures. Sutures. These are of two types. First is non-absorbable sutures and second is absorbable sutures. So come to the first type, that is non-absorbable sutures. These are mainly used to close the wound, and these are mainly used to close the wound or any incision on superficial layer of skin, and these are made up of various materials like silk, proline, etc. These as these are non-absorbable sutures, so there is need to remove that. Then come to the second type of sutures, that is absorbable sutures. These are mainly used to close the wound or any incision in deeper layer of skin or on soft tissues. So these are mainly made up of various materials like catgut or chromic catgut, etc. Now, as these are the absorbable sutures, so they will automatically absorb in the skin. So there is no need to remove them. So come to the articles used in this procedure. Firstly, a clean or sterile tray that to keep the necessary articles. Then second article which is used is sterile gloves. These are the sterile gloves used to used to cover the hands and prevent from any cross infection. And now this is the forceps, simple sterile forceps, which is used to hold the knot of the suture. Now this is the sterile scissor. This is sterile scissor which is used to cut the sutures. And these are the antiseptic cotton swabs. These are the antiseptic cotton swabs which are used to clean the wound site and prevent from, maybe there is a microorganism present there, so to clean that microorganism or prevent any infection. And these are the gauze pads which are used to clean the wound site or put them on the both sides of wound site to prevent any drainage or remove any drainage. And this is the paper bag which is used to discard the waste. So now come to the procedure, that is removal of sutures. First step is hand washing. As it is the sterile procedure, or so we need to perform the hand hygiene, that is surgical hand washing. After the surgical hand washing, second step is to wear the gloves or gloving. So these are the sterile gloves. Firstly, we have to put the left glove on left hand. Now we have to put the right glove on right hand. So after gloving, the next step is to take the antiseptic cotton swabs to clean the suturing site or wound site, to remove the microorganisms may be present there, and then take this sterile forceps to hold the knot of the suture, and this sterile scissor which is used to cut the sutures. So now firstly, next step is to hold the knot and pull it in upward direction and then cut with the scissor. So this is the suture, and we have to discard it in the paper bag. Now this is the second suture. Now again we have to pull the suture with the help of this forceps and cut with the help of scissors. Repeat it until all the sutures are removed. Until all the sutures are removed. So repeat this step until all the sutures are removed. So now remove these sutures and discard it in the paper bag. Now then put it these sterile forceps back to the tray and this is it. Now take the antiseptic cotton swab to clean the wound side or suturing side. Discard it in the paper bag and then take this sterile gauze pad to clean any drainage that is present on the wound side and discard it into the paper bag too. So after this all steps, now need to remove these sterile gloves. Discard these gloves into the So this is all about the these are all the steps that is involved in this procedure, that is removal of sutures. So this is all about the this procedure, removal of sutures. This is all about this procedure, that is removal of sutures, in which I was explained what are sutures, type of sutures and articles which are used in this procedure and how to remove sutures. So thank you.